Hey everyone, welcome to our FormMaker blog tutorial series. In this episode, I will show you how to create opt-in form with moosend API. So before get started with moosend, we need to create an API keys and use on our combo blocks dashboards. Let's copy the API key and back to the combo blocks dashboard, and on the API key page, you can add the moosend. We have already added the moosend API keys, and let's save the page. So let's back to the editor and add FormMaker block. Once we added the FormMaker block, you will see some beautiful block variations. So we need to find the opt-in form variations. You also see the more block variations under the block variations library. So here is the opt-in form. So insert it. So we have created a opt-in form with the block variations, and you see the input fields as a block side, and you see the form type opt-in form. Also you can customize the wrapper element and form element. Under the style tab, you can add any CSS properties, and you can style any pseudo selector for any element. So we have added the most advanced style component for styling or block elements. So there is the visibilities, so you can control the visibilities for this form. You can add many arguments. We have created the most advanced visibility controls for our blocks. So keep this empty. Let's with the code default. There is the on submit actions. You can add the validation, recaps of validations before submit. And also the on process actions has many other email service we have added for the opt-in form. And you see the, so let's search for the moosend. So you see the moosend. So we added the moosend actions, and you need to add the list and tags. Also you can enable or disable the response. So we enable the response. You can also use the custom message for the response. So let's add the list. So you see the email list under moosend.com. So we have already created a list combo, and you see the list ID. So you need to copy this, use on the list. So you can also use the tags, and after submit actions has the show response, and you can also clear the form, hide form, and redirect to URL. So we are using show response for this episode. So I hope everything is set up for moosend. Let's try to update the page and copy the page URL and try on the incognito tab. Let's copy the email address and try to fill the opt-in form and try to submit the form. And you see the validation error, so we need to add a tags customer. You can also add multiple tags by comma separated. So let's try update the page and try to refresh the form. So let's try the fill again and try to submit, and you see the success message. So let's check on the moosend email list, and you see the email address we have added via our opt-in form. So it's working perfectly. So this way you can create opt-in form with moosend API with our FormMaker block. So I hope you will love this. Thank you so much for watching.